In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google Calendar guest attendee. If you've invited someone to a Google Calendar event and later need to take them off the guest list, the process is very simple once you know where to look. This can be useful if you added the wrong person by mistake, if plans have changed, or if you just want to keep the event limited to the right attendees. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer. This is easiest to do from the desktop version since the layout gives you clear access to the event details and guest settings. Once you're in your calendar, find the event you want to update and click on it. A small event preview window will appear. From there, click the pencil icon to edit the event. This will open the full event details page where you can make changes to things like the title, date, time, location, and of course the guest list. Now look toward the right side of the screen for the guest section. This is where everyone currently invited to the event will be listed. Take a moment to find the person you want to remove. When you hover your mouse over that guest's email address or name, you should see a small X appear next to it. Click that X to remove the guest from the event. This immediately takes them off the attendee list in the editor, but the change is not fully applied until you save the event. That's an important detail because if you leave the page without saving, the guest may still remain on the invitation. Once the guest has been removed, go to the top of the page and click Save. Google Calendar may then prompt you about sending update notifications to guests. If that option appears, choose the one that best fits your situation. Sending an update is usually a good idea so the removed guest and any remaining attendees are aware that the event details have changed. And that's it. You've successfully removed a guest attendee from a Google Calendar event. Just remember, open the event, click the edit pencil, find the guest section, remove the person using the X, and save your changes. If you're managing meetings often, it's also a good habit to quickly review the attendee list before sending or updating an event, just to make sure the right people are included. That can help you avoid confusion and keep your calendar organized.